Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC, we're going to discuss how you would get inside your vehicle if your battery is dead. If your battery is dead on your key fob or your battery is dead on your car, right? So this key fob, we don't have a key that you can see, but you go ahead and hit the buttons and it's not going to do anything, or it doesn't do anything. The way you can unlock your vehicle is a feature with this key fob, and with a lot of them, if it's just a key fob without the key that comes out or pops out, you can, and you see we have a keyhole here. You can push this tab one way or the other and you can pull it out, and we have what looks like a standard key. And then this key will go inside here, and this way you are able to unlock your door to be able to get into your vehicle. And then to be able to pop the hood to get a new battery or get your car jump, or vice versa. And that's how you would get into your vehicle if your battery is dead in either both of these. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.